Hey friends, I have an easy side dish for you today. It's my easy Southern deviled egg recipe. And this is one that my grandmother taught me, so I am definitely passing it on to you, and I will have all of the ingredients listed below. So without further ado, let's get started. So first you want to start out with cold water. You want to put your eggs in cold water and you want to season the water with salt. I'm going to put this on a medium-high heat and I'm going to bring it to a boil. Once it starts boiling, I turn the heat off. I let the eggs sit in there for about 15 minutes. And then after that, I pour all of the water off and then I rinse it with cold water and to let the cooking process stop. You want to peel your eggs and then you want to cut them in half and then separate the egg yolks from the egg whites as I done. And so now the next step is to crumble up all of your egg yolks. And then I'm doing that with a fork, and it's very easy to do. Just smash, 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 as I am showing you. And so next up would be to season these egg yolks so that we can put them back into the egg whites and then top it off with some smoked paprika. So what I like to use is I'm putting in some relish. And I like the sweet relish, but some people like the dill relish, but I don't like the super tart. So I use a sweet relish. I add some mayo to this, and I do a little at a time because it's easy to overdo it. So I just do a little bit at a time. So that's probably like 2 tablespoons of each in there. And then I season with salt, a little bit of pepper. And I also add dill wheat to my egg yolks. I finally got that out. Man, that was tough. Anyway, I'm just going to stir to combine. I'm going to taste to make sure it's right. Sometimes I add a little bit of mustard in here, and if I do, it tends to be a little tart. So then I will also balance with a small smidget amount of sugar, and that always tends to balance it for me if it's too tart. So I just tasted and it seems like it was perfect, or I needed to add a little bit more things. But anyway, the next step is to fill the eggs back up. So all I do is just take a spoon and I just spoon it in. The other way you could do it would be to put it in a pastry bag and then make it look all fancy. But I'm not doing all of that. It's just me and my family. So all I'm doing is just sprinkling over some smoked paprika after I fill in all of the inside of all the eggs. And guess what, you guys? These deviled eggs are done. If you want me to show you more detail on how I did that, just let me know, or I'll probably have another recipe at some point in time. But anyway, I want to say give your girl a thumbs up for showing you this quick recipe, and thank you for watching. And as always, I want to say enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe so that you can get all of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.